morning. Good morning, everyone. Look at what my host brought me for this. Oh my god, there's so much food in there. That's an insane amount of food. Oh my god. Nice. Be nice, Eves. Hi, Bee. Here's all the cupcakes that we got. So let's open it. It smells so good. Ready? Okay, now that they're mostly picked up and not falling over my hand, they're covered in icing. I believe this is the chocolate coconut. This is the maple buttercream icing. This one I think is the apple pie. This one is carrot cake, red velvet. I don't know which one this one or this one is. This one could be the caramel or this one could be the caramel. So let's try one. Maple one looks really good. And look how cute it is. Let's start with the coffee and cookie cream. This is a really heavy cupcake. Like this feels like pound cake batter heavy. This, I believe, is the chocolate cookies and cream cheesecake cupcake. Slice this into quarters. But, so yeah, that crumb layer, that cheesecake layer, and then that little itty bitty bit of cake layer, and then frosting. So let's try this. This cheesecake layer is delicious. It has a strong cream cheese flavor, but also has a really nice coffee flavor that just kind of sneaks in from the back. So the bottom layer of that cupcake, I believe, got a little bit too soggy during the trip. So instead of being crumb, it's kind of just like really condensed, like wet cake, but solid cupcake. This one is the chocolate peanut butter cupcake. This one looks delicious. It isn't nearly as heavy though, so I'm assuming this one is fully cake, and it has that chocolate glaze icing on top. Crumb shot looks pretty good. Looks like a moist cupcake. So there's that. Wow. Georgetown cupcakes, you guys, the icing, holy cow, that's really good. The cake is just any normal chocolate cake. They're pretty good. Lush has their collection for Wicked.